Good morning. I am Coimbatore, Tirumular Siddharpidam Sivayogi Sivarajan speaking. Now I am speaking about Kundalini rising and what is the relation between chakra activation and the nadi traya. Kundalini cannot be awakened without the nadi traya opening and balancing, and also chakra activation. Chakra activation as well as nadi traya opening are the prerequisites for Kundalini rising. Moreover, the prana and apana should be equal. They should also meet in nadi, manipura chakra, where samanan is there. Pranan is linked to inhalation, apanan is linked to exhalation, and samanan is linked to kumbhaka. So for Kundalini rising, Mahamudra is also compulsory. When you do Mahamudra, the Pranan is pushed down and through Jalandhara Bandha, and the Apanan is pushed up by Mula Bandha, and they will be joined together in Manipura by Uddiyana Bandha. So this is one of the conditions for rising Kundalini. Tirumular also says an extra one, additional one information, that the prana and apana should meet in the upper palate. That is also a condition for Kundalini rising. That you can do by Kesari Mudra and Shidali Pranayama combined together. So these are the conditions how to turn up these the three vayus, prana, apana and samana, for Kundalini rising. In the same way, you have to open up the nadi traya and balance. What is nadi traya? Nadis are different from nerves. Nerves are present in the physical body, and nadis are present only in the astral body. There are 96 nadi channels. 72 nadis regrouped and made into 96 nadi channels called energy meridians. Through the nervous system, biocurrent is flowing. Through the nadi system, subtle form of vibrations are flowing. These subtle flow of vibrations are cosmic current. Panchabhuta energy is present in the cosmic current. This energy is flowing through these nadi channels. Regarding nadi channels, there are 96 nadi channels. These 96 nadi channels are the representation of 96 tattvas. 36 tattvas and 60 tattvika. So they are present in the body, astral body, and hence they are also in the physical body. Since the physical body is inside the astral bodies, the 96 tattva and energy is flowing in the nadi channel. But for Kundalini rising, you have to cross the tattvas also. How to cross these tattvas? When you cleanse the nadi channels, the energy flow from the outer ring of 96 channels come to 24 nadi channels. When this energy comes through to these 24 energy channels, one will come to know of his position of Atma Darshan. He will have a clear-cut vision of his Atma, his own Atma. And it is a milestone in achieving the path of Kundalini Yoga. Again, you cleanse and practice some lot of subtle practices are there. By doing this, you come to the 14 nadi channel circuits. 14 nadi channels means there's 12 Varma channels and 2 additional channels called one is this is Saraswati and one is Varuni. These 2 nadi channels connect all these channels. So after that, you enter into a 12 nadi channel. That is also called Varma nadi channels. The Varma Nadi channels include 10 yoga channels and 2 extra channels. The 2 extra channels are Visvodhara and Paisvini. So, from that ring, the energy again enters into the 10 Nadi channel circles. These are called yoga nadis. The main nadis in the 10 nadis are Ida, Pingala and Sushumna. Then in addition to the 7 nadis are there Guru Nadi, and then this Singuvai, Sangini, etc. etc. Now the energy enters into 3 channels. So all the nadis now one has somewhat crossed the 96 tattvas and now they are near the Nadi Traya. They have realized that they are Atma Swarupa when they enter in the 24 Nadi channels. From there they enter into the 14 and 12 and 10, then the 3 Nadis channels. The 3 Nadi channels represent one Ida. Ida means Chandra and lunar energy, and Pingala sun energy, and the central Nadi Sushumna is Agni energy. You have to balance, cancel these Ida and Pingala by making them equal. Because Ida Nadi is represented as minus. Pingala Nadi is represented by plus. When you make them equal, Ida Pingala becomes 50 and Pingala comes 50. So minus 50 plus 50 equal to 0. When it happens, the energy starts flowing in the Kundalini, this is Sushumna Nadi. The Nadi now flows in the Sushumna Nadi is the total of 96. And now it becomes, crosses the 96 tattvas and becomes Shiva energy. When the Shiva energy starts flowing in this Nadi, then only Kundalini will be activated. Before Kundalini activation, this energy flow will activate the atharas and make them chakras. When you do this by pranayama, nadi sodhana and nadi, other lot of siddhas, pranayamas are there. You have to cleanse and open it and balance that, then it will start. Then you have to do this chakra activation, that is adhara activation. The atharas are facing downward, 4 atharas, 4 petals in the Mooladhara representing Siddham, Buddhi, Mana, Ahankara, and the 6 petals present in the Swadhisthana, representing the 6 states, and 10 petals present in Manipuraga, 10 Agni Galas, and the 12 petals present in the Anahata represent 12 Surya Galas and 12 these Rasis, and the 16 petals present in the Visuddhi represent Chandra Gala. And then 2 petals are there, and the Sahasrara, Andar Patmam, Bindu, this Brahmarandra, Guru Mandala, Niradhara. So when the Kundalini passes through this when you activate the atharas, they become chakra, and this Kundalini energy, 5 energy will go around like this. There is a whirlpool, it will go around. This energy is called chakra. Adhara is the present in the Sushumna Nadi, that in the Sushumna Nadi, within Sushumna Nadi, Chitra Nadi, within that is Vajra Nadi, within that is Brahma Nadi. Only in the Brahma Nadi, the Adharas there. These forceful energy flow, Shiva energy, makes them and face upward, and this goes round. This is this chakra. When these petals face upward, then only Kundalini will pierce through these chakras, and cross that particular adhara. Then it will remain in the same position. If you do not continue Kundalini activation further, it will remain in the same condition, and when it crosses Muladhara and in between Swadhisthana, if it is there, the one will be very lusty. He cannot control his sexual emotions, a lot of disturbances. Then again you have to continue the process, and you have to pass through this, activate the adhara, and the Kundalini passes through Swadhisthana. Once it crosses Swadhisthana, then mental disturbance will be over, and you will feel free. Once it crosses Svadhisthana, when it cannot come back to Muladhara.